everyone, this is your host, Zumbi Allure with the Sensory Unicorn Queen, and I just want to ask for process before we get this video started. How am I wonderful, benevolent acolytes doing out there in the world? Yes. How you guys doing? Hi guys, today's video is going to be a new series of reviews, but this time it is going to be off of gaming headsets that I have gotten from Amazon. So I'm going to show you all the ones that I have, and I'm going to do Inhi Mini Mani Mo, and we're gonna go for there. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, so I have a total of 4 of these that I'm going to be reviewing in my series. So if you guys want to see that, you guys can. Just subscribe and stay tuned. There. Okay, so Inhi Mini Mani Mo, get your tiger by the tail. If they holler, let them go. Inhi Mini Mani Mo. Inhi Mini Mani Mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If they holler, let them go. Inhi Mini Mani Mo. Inhi Mini Mani Mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If they holler, let them go. Okay, so then I'll just review these ones this way. So I'll leave those there, and then we're going to be opening this one. Okay, so I am still getting used to the unboxing and reviewing, but for the most part, I think I got it locked down. For this one, it's from Fedecker. From Fedecker. And we're going to just see if there's any way I can open this without needing to get a pen. But I guess we're just going to need a little bit of assistance. Oh my God, this is some hard shit. Okay, so the unboxing of this headset. And mind you, I got this a while back, so I'm not gonna fully remember what colors I got. All right, so we got a little card of exclamation. That's what it looks like outside the box. Okay, first things first, I like the way that they did the packaging. Packaging's very good. Fucking cute, bro. I like it already. Alrighty, so okay, this is red. Now I can't recall if I got red or not. I'm gonna have to Google. Well, not Google it. I'm gonna have to Amazon it and see. Okay. These are light, but I'm assuming these are gaming headsets, right? What the hell is this? What is it, guys? Oh, it's kind of getting hot in here. All right, so we got a auxiliary, a USB, Android charger. Okay, so these are the ones that have the little ears. Alrighty, so, oh yeah. So you just pop it in like this, I suppose. Oh, meow. If I could get it on there. Okay. All right. I don't think I'm going to be able, well, I'm not going to be able to do the sounding on this though, but okay. And then it has the mic and the manual. Okay, so hold on. I think this is what they were saying. Please make sure the microphone has been fully inserted into the headset. Please plug the mic slightly harder. I can't stick it on. Okay. This is hella cute. Hopefully the ears are. Oh. Okay, let me get closer, guys. So you guys could actually like. Y'all can see my one ear. My one ear. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. Okay. Like that, and then like bring it forward like this. Like that. You know what? We're gonna have problems. This is the whole purpose why I fucking bought this headset in the first place, was because it's cute as fuck. But the ears, I think I had to adjust them like that. Why do I look so oily? I'm not really oily, guys. Okay. Hell yeah. Hello. Welcome to Kitty Meow Meow. May I take your order? You want one wet wet? Okay. You want one you want one what? You want one booty? Okay. Booty what? Like the booty or like the booty? Okay. So, I forgot to do the specs on this shit. The specs isn't on here. So let me get to it. Okay, guys. Let me read the manual. Okay, that was in Japanese. Let me read the manual. I'm ripping it up. I'm ripping it up. All of it. Okay. All right. Okay, let me see. Oh my god, what you eat every day. Okay, fuck, so I ripped the English version too. Okay, so I just want to read the specs for you guys. Okay, USB 2.0 90 dB single to noise ratio, frequent range 20 hertz, range 20 mil, operating 5 volts. Packaging includes boom microphone, microphone USB charging cable, mic foam cover, wireless headphones, audio cable, user manual, wireless transmitter. This is the manual right here. But yeah, I had to use them first to see if it's even gonna work for me. But overall, it even comes with this little whoopie. This little whoopie tingy, guys. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to wear these today. Hell yeah. Okay, but yeah, off the back, I really like it. It feels super lightweight, not hard on your ears. I am fucking digging this mic for sure. And I'm not digging the fucking ear coming off, because this is why I fucking bought it, bro. Or maybe I'm fucking up. Maybe it can't be that low. It has to be right here, right? I don't want this shit popping off when I get back on Twitch, bro. Like right there. But yeah, I like them. I would rate this one probably a 7 out of a 10. Only because I'm not vibing with the color red. I mean, I don't really like red. I don't like red at all. I like the white, but I don't like the red. Maybe I could spray paint that. But why go through all that trouble? I really like it. I'm probably going to see if they have a different color. But overall, it's cute. I really like the ears, and I'm really wondering if the ears could fit on a different headset. We're gonna go with my OGs. No. It's just, this sucks. I give it a 6 out of a 10. Because, fuck. The only reason why I got these cute ass ears was to make it work for this headset. Anyways. 6 out of a 10. Damn it. 6 out of a 10. I'm gonna just put these on though, because like these are like really cute. Anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys for the support. If you guys did like this, please give it a thumbs up. And then yeah, I will be opening up those other ones and getting it started for this series. So I really look forward to opening up the other ones. But yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.